Good. Just if. So we're good friends now, see? No hard feelings? Almost blowing you up is the past. We got to look to the future. And I see a military truck in your future. With special ammo, special weapons, and a special sauce. And Philly wants it real bad. I like to plan ahead. And I got big plans to bump up the Montero firepower, see? First step is that truck. They're loading it up at Ocaso Marina. Bring the truck back to me in one piece, Hiro. I got big plans, buddy. Suerte. Bring it back and we'll talk.
Let's ride. Whoa. Ah, sí. You're okay.
Here!
So! Go! Philly, I'm at the marina.
Now, whatever happens, just don't bounce the sweet baby.
What?
The truck, don't damage it. Drive like there's a big bouncy baby Philly in the back.
Bouncing baby Philly. Got it.
You're gonna make baby Philly cry. Just bring that truck back in one piece, okay, Hiro?
I'm good.
We need their support!
Copy!
Marco, incoming!
Philly said there would be.
Bring it on!
Fuck that shit. Hola, Philly. One very stolen truck is on the way.
Perfect. Okay, send it straight into my loving arms. But don't let nobody follow you. Huh? Be like a cat in the night. A smooth, sleek, sexy cat. Meow.
I'm more of a dog person.
So is Chorizo. But he forgets sometimes.
En medio de la aventura, voy sonriéndole a la vida, aunque no tengo fortuna. Pero yo no me detengo en la altura del camino, porque busco mi destino.
Coño, man, come on! ¡Vete a la mierda!
Circula. The hero returns.
Yeah, and the hero needs room.
Pinga.
What is happening here?
Philly magic, babe.
Yeah, I almost died for packing foam.
No. White gold.
Hard to get. Burns like a motherfucker. Everything got another purpose, hero. Even you.
Who did they take?
How many times are we gonna bail them out, Papa? When does it end?
Camila, this is family.
I say we cut our losses.
Well, you don't get a say because this isn't your fucking camp.
What's going on?
Jose got our people. He's gonna hand them in Verdera Square.
Their own fucking fault they got caught.
No, it's your fault. How many times have I told you they need to learn what it is to be a guerrilla from us? But you never listen. To get faith, you have to give it.
I don't like it.
So what? We're just going to leave them behind? Mierda. I know what that's like.
Small pack. Us 5. We go in, grab our people, kill whoever gets in our way.
Jose's going to have military. We will need eyes on them.
Well, the church got a bell tower. You can see everything from there.
Stay the night in the tower before the execution. Don't want anyone seeing you get up there.
Got just the thing for you, hero. Philly rifle with a high-power scope.
I'll plant the gun.
Miguel, me, and Camila at the square. Philly waits at the radio tower. And no cell phones. Enteros hasta el final, Camila.
Don't know where that motherfucker goes, but he comes an hour late. Doesn't give a shit if I get any sleep.
Where does he go?
Good question.
Shit. We've been missing food. Even though it all gets portioned out, we're short. Time to go talk to Carlos about it.
Let's go, horse.
Come on.
Don't worry. I'm a friend.
Don't do this! Cha! 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 Come on! ¡Vamos, vamos! ¿Qué?
Carlos, near the chart.
Oye, it's Miguel.
Miguel? Where's Carlos?
He's busy. Can you get to the bell tower?
I think so.
Good. I left the rifle up there for you. Stay low. Don't let the soldiers see you.
Okay.
Suerte, my friend.
Better watch my step.
Attention, Troyans. This is your fearless lion, General Jose Castillo. I wish to inform you that a public execution will take place today in Verdera Square. Yarans and terroristas have been found guilty of murder and treason. I encourage you all to witness me deliver swift justice, but please, keep the square clear for our glorious military. Attention, true Yarans. This is General Jose Castillo. I am happy to announce that I have captured several fake Yarans and terroristas guilty of murder and treason. Today, they will be hanged for their crimes in the...
We are in position.
Okay, Jefe, I'm here. I'll keep the engine running. Suerte.
Caray, eso no sé.
Don't shoot until I say.
Hello, Yarans! You honor me today with your presence, just as I honor you with mine. These are the fake Yarans, and they have no place here in our paradise!
Cojones.
As punishment for their crimes, they will be hanged from the barrel of Yara's might!
What's our move, Carlos? Carlos!
Te pierdo, cabrón.
The tower, you idiots!
Ali's gonna die here. We need to move. Espada! I got him. You cover me, understand?
Daddy, we gotta get him the fuck out of here!
I got him!
They just keep coming! Where's Billy? He's supposed to be here! Cover me!
I'll call him! Billy, where are you?
I can get in. This place is hotter than the devil's balls.
Got Alejandro. He's hurt bad.
Okay, meet me at the radio tower.
Okay. Grenade!
Come on, we got them!
Camila.
Over there! Trouble!
Almost there.
What's wrong? We got company! Let's get the fuck out of here!
Come on, let's go now! Let's move, Hiro!
Go, Philly, go! Dale, Philly, faster!
I'm pushing this piece of shit as fast as he can go! More up ahead!
I see them!
What happened back there? Where's Carlos?
We lost him! Papa!
Inga!
Fuck you!
Come on, we got them! I see them! There!
Take that!
Stay with me, Ale. Stay with me.
Papá. No puedo.
We got company!
Stay with me, Ale. Stay with me.
Papá. Mira. No puedo.
There you go!
Over there! Dale, Philly, faster!
I'm pushing this piece of shit as fast as he can go! More up ahead!
I see them!
What happened back there? Where's Carlos? pushing this piece of shit as fast as he can go! More up ahead!
I see them!
Let's go this faster!
Fucking truck!
I see them!
This is for you!
I see them!
What happened back there? Where's Carlos?
We lost him! Papa!
Inga!
Stay with me, Ale. Stay with me. Stay with me, Ale. Stay with me. Ale, Billy, faster!
I'm pushing this piece of shit as fast as he can go! More up ahead!
I see them!
There! Problem!
What happened back there? Where's Carlos?
We lost him! Papa!
Inga!
Stay with me, Ale. Stay with me.
Repinga! Papá, quiero. No puedo.
Stay with me, Ale. Stay with me.
No, papá, quiero. No puedo.
happened to you, Danny? You were supposed to cover us!
The rifle jammed! Miguel left me a defective gun!
Fuck! I knew we couldn't trust that piece of shit!
They knew we were coming! The whole thing was a setup!
Binga!
Over there!
Stay with me, hermanito.
Dale, dale!
Get him on the table.
Is he breathing?
His heart stopped!
Hang on, Ale.
Philly?
A minute!
Whatever you're thinking, Camila, don't. How do you know it wasn't your brother? We already know he's a fucking traitor. And what about Philly? He's the one who knows explosives.
Espada!
You saved your papa, but didn't think once to save me. You left me to die in that fucking camp.
Philly, I think we're losing him!
You think your papa had it bad? Think of what Jose can do to a man when he has the time.
Stand back, Hiro!
I could have given up this whole fucking camp, but I didn't! Fucking Monteros. We're all dead, Camila. Castillo's already won.
He's breathing! Espada!
Balance your stance. A lion finds calm before the kill.
Sí, papá.
Fire me!
Ah! Que bien, uncle. Well, now you have heard of our great victory in the West. Carlos Montero is dead. His guerrillas on the run. The tobacco fields secure.
Fire!
Ay, come mira, give me that.
Bien. Bien. Your cousin seeks praise, Diego. If I knew his plan, I would have told him that the Montero roots run deep in the farmlands. 200 years.
Yes, uncle, I was trying to surprise you.
Diego, how many of your uncle's soldiers come from the farmlands?
80%, papá.
Correct. And now, he has made a martyr of the most famous Montero. Let's see how many of his soldiers want to rebuild paradise now.
Por favor.
You killed my son's last bird. Run.
What?
Run. Mentilo.
Hola, Dani.
Come mierda, sold us out to Napoleón el Pequeño. Once Jose learned that, he knew his family would come.
Coño.
Wonder what Miguel got for selling us out.
Probably landed money. Don't matter now, though.
No.
Hey, look, it's Danny.
Feels like this camp will never be.
Good to see you, Danny.
Oh, hello. I never got to thank you for saving my life. You and Camila could have left me to die, but you didn't. Gracia. Word got back from Father Pietro in Verdera. He has Papa's machete. It's all that's left of him. I want to go and get it back, but I'm in no shape. Papa is dead because of me, and I can't even do this for him. The priest is expecting you, Danny. If you'll go, that is. Gracias, Danny. Gracias.